कि अगर आप फेमिनिस्ट नहीं है तो आप क्या है?
Sexist.
मतलब वो ही
Kudos to you for finding this emerald.
Yeah.
ऐसा वैसा हीरा नहीं,
Forest.
पूरा green
emerald.
emerald.
People will be watching me like भाई इतना तो नहीं है भाई कुछ तो because
Oh,
क्या
भाई,
ना,
क्या?
ऐसे
बेइज्जती
दिखाएंगे
मत कराइयो.
हाँ थोड़ा छुपा ले
No way in hell that they're gonna understand my life and my lifestyle.
पिज्जा स्टार मार्क सार्डो ब्रेड स्टार मार्क ग्लूटेन फ्री
Yeah.
ग्रीन फ्लैग राइट देयर दोस्तों
So मानवी जब लाइफ में आई,
हम्म
what is the one?
फिर मेरी लाइफ में ऐश्वर्या आई.
नो यार शी जस्ट लव्स मी विद ऑल माय फ्लॉज यार
I can give you 10 suggestions.
मतलब आप समझ लो किसी शो में गए तो वो पूछते हैं टेक रिक्वायरमेंट सर क्या लेंगे ये लेना कुछ नहीं मैं चाय पिला देना दोस्त और गए और घटिया चाय पिला दी मतलब भाई एक चीज मांगी थी तेरे से तो स्टेज पे जाना है और तू ये पिला रहा है भाई चाय कैसे खराब बन रही है भाई दुनिया में यार
But I'm fully into pop astronomy, huh? Like pop, very like Insta pop astronomy. So I keep sending it Virgo and Scorpio compatibility.
Don't
and
get
all
me
of
to do that.
that
क्या?
makes me love life and love her more than
अगले 3 next 3 times that I was gonna ask you हो गया.
oh भाई thank you
जैसे कि डाउरी नहीं लेनी.
कन्या मतलब हाँ like anything by रहते मिलते रहेगी. हाँ उसने ओके ये बड़ी बातें कर रहा है अभी दिखाते हैं इसको.
I
But
think
yeah.
it's fine. But delight, the joy, oof. I told you she brings joy to your life, but I am nothing compared to shopping. Bhai, oof.
मेरा पैसा तेरा पैसा भी मेरा पैसा. Is it?
नहीं मेरा पैसा तेरा पैसा हमारा पैसा ऐसे 3
Yeah.
वो है.
Oh, you're romantic also.
नहीं तूने भी एक दो बार बहुत अच्छी लिखी है. कोई अच्छा खाना खिला दे मैं तो भाई अगर जायदाद होती तो मैं लिख देता.
Hi guys, welcome to the Superwomania Green Flag Edition. बहुत ही क्यूट कपल के साथ हम यहाँ बैठे हैं. I don't know how this interview is going to happen because just looking at you is making me laugh. This is Kumar Varun and Manvi Gagru. बहुत ही, if this is what married life looks like, then I think a lot of people want to get married.
Yes.
ये हंसे रहे.
ये बॉस लाइफ.
यही है.
अच्छा वरुण, आपने अपने ग्रीन फ्लैग खिताब को बहुत सीरियसली ले लिया.
जी हाँ. क्लोरोफिल से भरपूर सुबह.
कितने ग्रीन फ्लैग, आप खुद को कितने नंबर देंगे?
नहीं खुद को सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन तो बहुत वियर्ड है. क्योंकि मैं कॉर्पोरेट में भी काम करता था और मैं सबसे वियर्ड काम हर साल में वही होता था. आपको
जब आपको
सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन करना होता है कि आई एम प्रोएक्टिव एंड आई हैव लीडरशिप स्किल्स.
It's that time of the
तो
year.
it's that time of the year. तो मैं मैनेजर को ही बोलता था कि भाई तू ही बता दे मेरा क्या सीन है.
हाउ ग्रीन आर यू.
माय मैनेजर इन दिस केस इज मानवी.
Oh,
शी थिंक्स आई एम green enough.
I'll say that.
Oh shit.
I like that. This
Sorry,
manager,
We'll
this
find
manager,
out.
We'll find
yeah,
out.
yeah, we'll find out.
बट हाँ खुद से बोलना मुश्किल है बेसिकली.
But manager,
Yes.
आपके चेहरे
HR
के ग्लो
manager.
को देख के लग रहा है कि काफी.
खुश लग रहे.
तो ये जो F वर्ड है फेमिनिज्म, इसका क्या तात्पर्य निकालते हैं? और क्या आप एक
खा ले पहले.
फेमिनिस्ट?
थोड़ा बिस्किट सेटल कर देता हूँ.
क्या आप फेमिनिस्ट हैं?
देख वही अगेन कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जैसे ग्रीन फ्लैग इवन फेमिनिस्ट जो खुद से बोलना थोड़ा ऑड लगता है. हमने काफी इस बारे में बात की है मानवी नहीं कि अगर आप फेमिनिस्ट नहीं है तो आप क्या है.
Sexist.
मतलब वो ही है ना.
हाँ, you're
I
either
got-
you're
ये तो-
either normal /
in-
feminist or you're a sexist.
In 2025
Thank
I think if you are asking कि क्या feminist is almost as if asking कि क्या आप humanist है. आपको
Yeah,
इंसान सब whatever मतलब
Yeah.
इतना बेसिक हो चुका
basic
है.
human rights.
बट कई बार हमको रियलाइज होता है कि शायद बहुत लोगों के लिए इतना बेसिक नहीं भी है.
Yeah.
Exactly.
तो you have to
That's
be
what
like
we are-
guys
we are
एक सेकंड
discovering.
कहाँ से शुरू करूँ A B C D E कहाँ से शुरू करें लाइक बिकॉज पीपल हैव देयर ओन परसेप्शन कि फेमिनिस्ट ऐसे होते हैं या फेमिनिज्म ये होता है. बट आई थिंक बिटवीन द टू ऑफ अस तो ये एक टॉपिक ही नहीं है. इट्स वेरी लाइक हाँ मतलब फेमिनिस्ट.
Thank you for saying. You have no idea something that is so normal. अभी भी लोग हिचकते हैं. You know,
Yeah,
there's a
yeah.
but. There is a what do you mean by that? Like
Yeah,
it's,
I know so many, including women,
Yeah,
who shy
yeah.
away from using the term feminist for themselves, and they're like, no, I'm not a feminist.
इन्होंने इतना अच्छा जवाब दिया. कि kudos to you for finding this emeralds.
Yeah.
ऐसा वैसा हीरा नहीं,
Forest.
पूरा green
एमरल्ड
emerald.
सुन के लग रहा है मैं अंधेरी की कोई सोसाइटी हूँ
पन्ना.
कि भाई साहब एमरल्ड किधर इधर इधर यहाँ से राइट लिए वही खड़ा है
What was something that immediately made you feel like?
Oh, okay, like
It could be
that.
something very small, something
No,
like
so
that.
I'll tell you. Like when I
यस
अब ये धीरे-धीरे red flag हो जाएगा because ये blush already कर रहे हैं.
चश्मे निकाल के बीच में से बैठ गया.
वाटरमेलन ऑन योर वे रेड एंड ग्रीन
No, so right in the beginning, like because how I got to know him was I used to watch his quizzing shows during lockdown and stuff, and I got addicted and obsessed or whatever with the show. So उस time while watching the show, because my friend and I would watch it.
तब तक you not met him. You just
Never,
Oh.
no.
But a gesture of his, something that he did that made you feel like.
Gesture wise was for the other thing. Like we started dating, and the first time I ever felt that thing of, listen, I think I want to spend my life with this guy. You know, it was that moment was because that again had never happened with me. I've been touchwood. I've had very nice relationships, but I never got that feeling of शादी करनी है. You know, मुझे अब इससे शादी करनी है. That sort of a thing. But I'll tell you, that was during that was the second lockdown के just बाद, the second whatever cycle of COVID. उसके just बाद he had moved to Andheri, and I was at his house and this night, and मुझे little COVID वाला symptoms हो रहा था, and I was like, listen, I'm gonna get a test done, that rapid test whatever, and वो किया. I think 1-2 घंटे में report आने वाली थी, and that time he told me, he said, listen, why don't you go home, get your stuff for a week 10 days, and you stay here. And I was like, तू पागल है, you know, because if it is positive, then I don't want you to get it and whatever. And he had, उसके I think एक हफ्ते में he had to go to Goa for some work or something. And I was like, no, you have to leave, you know, you will become positive. He's like, no. But he's like, don't be silly. तू अकेले क्या करेगी घर पे? You know, just get your things. I'll give you one room. You stay in that room, and so that there's someone there. You need anything, khana, wana, whatever. Like, you know, otherwise, don't be alone and think about it and all. And and for me, I was like, oh my god, like, you know, because like genuinely.
Well, उससे पहले there was no talk of wanting to spend life together. No, so
never.
that was
I mean, we were dating, and like we were both like whatever monogamous and you know जो भी. But but there was no talk of like shadi or anything. So that's the time that a seed was planted in my head. Of course. Then उसके बाद like I always had this thing, Stuti, that I want to if I get married, I want to be married because I want, like, the feeling should be there, you know, not because of any other external reason or whatever.
Arun, क्या बात?
मैं समझ गया कि ये शो इतना एम्बैरेसिंग क्यों
होने वाला है.
Because I was like, yeah, कुछ बात करेंगे, but अभी I'm fully like, भाई ये कुछ
No,
ज़्यादा,
मुझे
you know, almost to a level where you're like, भाई इतना अच्छा भी नहीं, कुछ
एक और
गड़बड़
बिस्किट
ना
ले
हो
ही
जाए,
लेता हूँ मैं.
People will be watching will be like, भाई इतना तो नहीं है, भाई कुछ तो, because you know.
Okay, we want to. आप लोगों की पत्री मिली थी जब शादी हुई थी?
नहीं.
तो हम मिलाएंगे. We have something.
But I'm fully into pop astronomy, huh? Like pop, very like Insta pop astronomy. So I keep sending him Virgo and Scorpio compatibility.
Don't tell
and
me
all
you
that.
do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Till date I do. I love it. I search who are the like, you know, Virgo
Compatible,
couples
yeah,
or whatever, Virgo Scorpio.
Chalo, we'll do a compatibility test.
ओ भाई.
So don't see each other
Okay.
और लिख के फिर आप show it
Camera
to me
में.
and the camera.
Oh,
yeah.
भाई.
ना, ऐसे दिखाएंगे
बेइज्जती
ना.
मत कराइयो.
हाँ, थोड़ा छुपा ले.
Okay, compatibility test हम शुरू कर रहे हैं. Tell me the one person he'd love to work with, one person she'd love to work with.
So I have to write one person she'd like
yeah.
to work with.
ये तो बहुत
Oh no.
one person he would like to work with.
Collaborate कि that's what he's looking for. दोनों खिलाड़ी हमारे सिर्फ पिच को देख रहे हैं इस
हाँ,
वक्त.
रुको.
Oh, nice. Yeah. I think she should.
Also a picture.
उन्होंने लिख दिया है and मुझे लगता है कि उनका
यार,
जवाब
मुझे-
correct है.
और क्या चल रहा है बाकी सब? कॉफी बड़ी बढ़िया है यार, है ना?
Okay, sorry, नहीं ये गलत होने वाला है मेरा.
Okay. हाँ, चलो दिखा.
हाँ. But he has to write his and then no.
वही
no,
that
no.
was asking,
First-
but no.
okay.
हाँ.
First show.
मैंने तो पूरी टीम का नाम लिख दिया.
Oh.
Is that right?
Sure.
वही ना,
नहीं,
बहुत
don't-
सारे,
don't-
there's so many people.
No,
he
no.
would-
I just assumed that we have to think of like actor, director.
That
type,
is what it was, which is
yeah,
why.
तो इसलिए मुझे वो वाला reaction
अब आप
of that.
दिखाइए.
I think she would like to work with Zoya Akhtar.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got it.
I kind of have
Yeah, but
one
like
episode of Made in Heaven, but
Made in
yeah.
Heaven, but more.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah. With,
Yeah.
And she didn't direct it. Although I love Alankrita.
If
as
you're
well.
watching Zoya, this you know what I mean.
उनका जवाब correct था? Is it 1-1? Is it 1-0?
No, Liverpool, of course. I would like to work with. They
I
are
was going
winning
to
the
say
league
Klopp
this year.
first, but then I thought
I
Millbilly
met him.
Australia.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
हाँ. No, Liverpool, yes.
One habit of yours that she hates. One habit of yours that you know he hates.
Of mine? Oh. ये तो
So मुझे क्या लिखना है? One habit of mine that she.
Yeah.
Oh shit. बड़ी जल्दी लिख दिया तूने. अरे.
मुझे पता है what you
One habit of mine she hates. Oh shit.
There has to be something.
No यार, she just loves me with all my flaws. Yeah.
I can give you 10 suggestions.
Are you legit not going to?
और मैंने तो लिख भी दिया. Guys,
इतनी
I'm
जल्दी?
I'm winning this round.
On, I don't know very.
What have you written?
Planning thing.
Okay.
Too much planning कर देता हूँ ना, थोड़ा और negative.
अच्छा ठीक है अब दिखाइए.
Too much. Plus too much planning की 3 तारीख को ये
मेरा
करेंगे 4.
उल्टा है एकदम. So that's why I
This
do
is a nice.
Yeah. He
Not
plans
bad.
too much and I just can't plan.
This is a thumbnail.
Yeah.
This is yeah.
Being wow, bhai, we have killed it.
Yeah. Next.
One thing that she buys and never uses.
Every
One thing he buys and never uses.
He's gonna write everything.
Yeah.
okay, no, I'll make it slightly specific.
और मेरा क्या है?
नहीं, one thing he buys and never uses.
Oh, but there's
Okay.
Nothing. He's planned everything. Nothing.
yeah. So the only things he has and doesn't use
कोई
are
ऐसी
things
splurge
that,
नहीं है आपका जो ऐसे मतलब.
नहीं, the only things that he has and hasn't used or doesn't use are things that are either gifted to him by me or someone else. You know, otherwise anything he buys he makes.
आपके gifts का तो बहुत ही.
Yeah, because it's like it's usually reverse for me कि दौरे से तो खरीद रहे हैं types.
ये correct है?
क्या तुमने लिखा?
Clothes I pick.
Oh, I thought you'd say like skincare stuff.
I
and
thought
all.
I thought I'll make a joke कि I'll write it. I'll start
Everything.
make a list. Clothes, accessories, bags,
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything she buys and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
She loves shopping. मतलब
Yeah.
genuinely delights her. I know there are a lot of people who are watching are like, हाँ हमें भी shopping पसंद है. Shopping is like one of those things कि I love reading, I love traveling. It's one of those things that everybody says.
Yeah.
But delight, the joy, oof. I told you she brings joy to your life, but I am nothing compared to shopping. Bhai, oof, the true happiness दिखता है मुझे when she shops.
Okay, what is the one dish, food item जो देख के ये अपना diet वाइट सब भूल जाएंगे? She cannot not eat it. Same for him. One thing that he.
इसका तो पता है मुझे.
Oh my God, what are you
साले
writing?
क्या लिख रहा है?
दिखाओ.
इतना क्या तू मेन्यू लिख रहा है किसी जगह का? Okay. Okay.
Pizza, star mark, sourdough bread, star mark, gluten free.
Yeah.
Green flag right there. दोस्तों,
His,
Mutton rice, yeah.
ओ भाई, दुनिया में क्या
अच्छा no,
Oh.
sorry, this is another, I want to say this. Okay, so we are both foodies, but we're different kinds of foodies. Okay, so I am the kind of foodie कि मैं कुछ भी खा सकती हूँ. Okay, I mean a lot.
But ये बड़ा gluten free.
वही I'm saying as long as it's
As long
within that.
Yeah.
So मुझे मतलब ऊपर नीचे taste का चलेगा, but gluten free होना चाहिए and कुछ other whatever dietary things I have. बस otherwise I'm good with anything. और इसका है and his is like he's foodie in the sense that his day and his mood can change for the better or worse depending on the meal he's had. Like it can actually, if he's having a bad day, a good meal can flip it completely.
Which
And
is
if
why
he's-
you came with a brilliant idea, lunch order.
yes, कुछ lunch order.
Yes, now you know.
कुछ order करें. No, and the other way around. If he's having a great day, but if he has a bad meal, it's just like the rest of his day, and I can't fathom because I'm like, ठीक है हाँ गंदा खाना था whatever
yeah.
so like it's okay like whatever move on he's like नहीं यार मैं पूरी सुबह से सोच रहा था I'll have this or whatever
खराब खाना पूरा दिन खराब कर देता
I
है।
agree.
इनफैक्ट खराब चाय भी कोई दे देता है ना, मेरा दिन ही खराब हो जाता है। मतलब आप समझ लो किसी शो में गए तो वो पूछते हैं टेक रिक्वायरमेंट, सर क्या लेंगे ये लेंगे, कुछ नहीं मैं चाय पिला देना दोस्त, और गए और घटिया चाय पिला दी। मैंने कहा, भाई एक चीज मांगी थी तेरे से, तो स्टेज पे जाना है और तू ये पिला रहा है, भाई चाय कैसे खराब बन रही है भाई दुनिया में यार, सिंपल चीज है भाई, दिन मूड ऑफ हो जाता है।
God, Varun, this is too much. Okay. आपकी लाइफ में वो स्टेज था that boys locker room chats or you know just if you don't participate in a sexist joke, you're making fun of a woman driving or you know generally I mean it's so typical. या Indian families में होता है कि शादी पे जो jokes होते हैं कि अरे अब तो हम बंद गए या जोरू का गुलाम, stuff like that.
Again, never happened in my family. यारी दोस्तों में इतना I can't be like ये jokes हमने कभी किए ही नहीं। I think अगर हम लोग इंजीनियरिंग हॉस्टल में बैठे हैं तो थोड़े बहुत जोक्स तो चल ही रहे होंगे which sometimes you don't even realize as a teenager कि इसमें कुछ गलत है। And this is when we come back to evolving and unlearning, where now you're like, okay, that maybe was a different guy. I'd like to believe we are all evolving, improving every day.
So मानवी जब लाइफ में आई, what is the one
फिर मेरी लाइफ में ऐश्वर्या आई
हो हो।
तो मतलब वादन बजे फूल गिरे बट और क्या एक सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस था particularly in you know over the years that you've noticed that has just made you a different person as far as your thinking or like you said unlearning कुछ चीजें वो क्या थी?
So many things यार।
अब
you know
उनके
I
बारे
keep
में
asking I'm like tell me 5 things
you do that
all the time but never like शुरू में he used to be very like okay 5 things I'll tell you and you know, now he's like बस यार हो गया हर बार he's like again you
today is
started.
that day
yeah
tell me those 5
so
things
thank you Stuti
Oh man, you know there's a Slovenian professor who says कि when your partner asks कि why do you love me and you have an answer ready and maybe there's something wrong. It's very because again for Manvi I have okay it's my turn now. I feel like that cricketer की चलो second inning day 2 now I have to chase that score. So many changes she has brought. This whole episode will be about that. So I'll rather just quickly tell a
Positive
couple of
things.
things.
so many couples who are watching will be nudging each other the
देख,
सुनो
ये सब आंसर रेडी करना होता है।
सीखो
My top thing that I would say is something that I always tell her is her enthusiasm for life is very infectious, contagious. I really with the kind of life we live and the kind of things that are around us, especially for 2 freelancers, which is very like हर दिन पता नहीं जीवन कहाँ है क्या होगा, and the news that surrounds us throughout the everything like life can easily take a toll on you and if you are one गंभीर person sitting somewhere being all pensive, people will really be like हाँ यार मतलब ठीक है मतलब दुनिया ऐसी है यार बहुत दुख है भाई दुनिया में and then you meet somebody who is so full of life makes you believe in life कि it's worth it यार मतलब and it doesn't mean we don't think about the world, we do, especially Manvi thinks a lot about world issues but she really makes me love life like she brought in that come on let's do this. खाना order
Let's do
करते हैं.
life together.
Yeah, let's do life together. What a great caption for this episode. Hey. So that is the biggest thing. Like every day there is something to look forward to. Finding joy in the smallest things. Like yesterday we were having our normal days. अपना कुछ काम कर रहे हैं. Suddenly she comes and she's like कुछ खाना order करे. That just made our day. Because we both got so excited कि क्या order करना है, क्या खाना है, कैसे करना है. And the food comes and then we sit, we watch something together, etc. etc. She's excited about things, which is
about food
about food, about
Among other
travel,
things,
about
yeah.
life, about each other, about family, about just so many things that I see every day thinking, oh, this I didn't have earlier
Yeah.
maybe. Or like we said earlier, like it's not about filling the void, but it's about what extra
yeah so she
things
exudes that
she
positivity
exudes love for life and positivity.
you know
That
क्या
makes me love life and love her more than.
अगले 3 next 3 times that I was gonna ask you हो गया
Oh, bhai, thank you.
ये
Thank you for doing this.
What is the one very stereotypical thing about शादी जो आपने अपने equation से हटा दी कि this did you make any rules for marriage that were uniquely yours?
for marriage or the wedding Marriage.
Marriage, like
No.
life together.
I don't think there's any.
But your wedding was also very.
Wedding के time
different,
we had
yeah.
certain like things कि ये नहीं करना है and all of that. But
जैसे कि डाउरी नहीं लेनी.
कन्या मतलब हाँ like anything by रहते मिलते रहेगी. No, so हाँ but marriage नहीं यार I don't think there's I mean we
You were never burdened by this institution of marriage. एक शादीशुदा couple has to be this. The husband is supposed to do this. The wife.
No.
What sort of a bahu are you? Like, have you fit into that?
So again, fortunately for both of us, we stay away from our parents,
Yeah,
right? Like
yeah.
we both live separately. So वो है ही नहीं उतना parents का. Of course, we have
course,
a relationship and they're constantly on like कुछ भी होता है. If there's anything
Yeah.
good or bad, we call my parents, we call his parents, we call his sister, my sister. So we're that way we're like in touch and all of that. But thankfully उनकी तरफ से भी कोई expectation नहीं है for me or from my parents for him and I mean it's all like there's been touchwood so far no like expectations or not meeting of expectations like because there are no expectations to begin with. So मतलब हाँ.
और इनको जवाइन treatment मिलती है.
Oh, really? Like that is another thing that has come into my life. It'll sound so, I don't know, so filmy, but I legit have like a family, which I sort of like one of those things that, for some reason, there are some things which were missing in my life, but this mama papa who have come are, I mean. I keep telling Manvi that this was one thing which was missing. All the goods and all the positives and negatives. There are many things.
So we are playing who's most likely. Point at each other, yourself, whatever. What's the right answer?
Okay.
Who's most likely to lose track of time while working? कि
While working.
खो गए आप. Okay. Most likely to send handwritten notes or post-its. Oh, you're romantic also.
नहीं तूने भी एक दो बार बहुत अच्छे अच्छे लिखे.
एक दो बार.
मैंने एक संभाल के रखा है बहुत अच्छा था वो.
Too
But
cute.
हाँ ज़्यादा मैं करता हूँ ये सब. Yes.
Who's most likely to correct someone's grammar mid-conversation? You're the grammar Nazi. No wonder you're
For
not
sure.
out.
No, I've stopped now.
For sure.
I really hold back. but-
Okay. Okay. Who's more organized?
No.
We know the answer now. Okay. Who's most likely to plan a grand surprise party successfully?
Party.
Party, I don't know, but like these
Better at surprises.
These
yeah.
surprises.
Yeah.
I can't keep. I can't.
वो
I
problem
relate.
I have to tell him like, if I bought a surprise gift, then I'm dying to kind of like tell him or whatever.
I don't think Manvi had the patience to be like अगले महीने तक wait करूँगी ना. शाम में chill करो. You know what? You wanted the thing right.
I love it.
Oh.
Okay. Who's more likely to give very thoughtful, nice presents, gifts? ये किया है बिल्कुल ही गुनेहगार. Who's most likely to be possessive? कोई नहीं.
I don't think that's वो तो
Yeah.
है ही हमने है नहीं वो हो ही नहीं है
I'm
DNA में.
thinking, तभी नहीं हुआ ना.
Who's most likely to stay calm in stressful situations? Yeah, people say that don't be with somebody who's from the same industry. There's just too much of them, you can't get too much. But things look fine. Did you guys ever think of this? Are there unset boundaries? Like, how do you navigate
No, in
that
fact,
space?
I believe on the contrary. I feel we should. I mean, I always wanted
Somebody from the
industry because I was like, there's no way in hell that they're gonna understand my life and my lifestyle, yeah. So that was just something that was very clear. I mean, that could be a part of the checklist if at all. That he has to be from the industry.
Did you have anything like that?
I had that notion, what you said a few years back, thinking, nahi, I think people should be from whatever different this thing. And then I realized, no, they should not be. They should be, you have to be with someone who understands your career and life choices. I don't think I learned it, कि you can't be with people who don't understand कि अगर हम किसी पार्टी में जा रहे हैं तो वो ना सिर्फ पार्टी है बल्कि तुम्हारा काम भी है. The kind of
The schmoozing and the networking
Yeah.
that has to happen.
you know things like कि अरे क्या कैफे में क्या मिल रहे हो क्या कर रहे हो. So no, there is a lot of our life is just meeting people,
Yeah.
showing up,
Yeah.
showing up, and that's
Or
just
like
one
outdoor
example.
shoots and all, because you know in outdoors like when you're shooting in the same city, so you come back home, okay, right? But in outdoor shoots, what happens is after shoot also you're hanging out with that group
Yeah.
and this and that, which firstly you also want to as part of the team. And it's also important because you're discussing next day's scenes, you're discussing what you shot today, you're also team building. There's so many things that
Yeah.
go into and your partner has to understand. They can't be like, तुम्हारी shoot तो हो गई, why didn't
Why?
you call me?
Oh, God,
Or you
no.
know, are you
Yeah.
none of that.
So that way we are like so sorted.
Yeah.
I legit had this notion what you said कि no, I need somebody who is very like थोड़ा stable, थोड़ा एक corporate life whatever
हाँ,
ये
थोड़ा
वो.
अलग हो,
And then you
but-
realize कि भाई
yeah.
उनको समझ ही नहीं आ
Yeah,
रहा. Like
correct.
you're looking at Instagram, for them you're scrolling, for us that is work. भाई
Again,
वो
it's kind of
Yeah.
part of
others
work, right?
inbox में काम आ रहा है तुमको
Yeah.
पता ही नहीं है वो.
Yeah.
But for them you are like
Yeah.
so these
Yeah.
little things that
Or when we are traveling and I'll be like, take a nice outfit photo for
Yeah,
me or whatever.
yeah.
He's like, he's
He
very
understands
like, yeah,
that,
he
that.
gets
समझ
it.
आता है ना
We
ये करना है
didn't,
ये
Yeah,
करना
he's
है.
not like, yeah, bhai, yaar, acha, ye le. You know, he's
Yeah,
very
yeah.
into it. He's like, okay, do you want full length or do you want, you know,
Yeah.
and I'm like, okay, you know, so you need the, or if he's, sometimes like he does this quick bites. So if we go to a nice restaurant, he really likes it and he's like, listen, I'm thinking I'll shoot a quick bite. So, you know, then I'll be
Correct.
like, ha, and I'll give him.
So in
whether
the
he-
true sense, collaborate is basically
Correct,
that's
yeah.
what.
The right
Odd.
amount of collaborating
Touch it.
and also
Yeah.
not getting involved. You
Correct.
know what I mean?
Not
That's
getting
a very perfect
in the way
mistake.
of someone.
Yeah.
But yeah, tell me something as people in the industry. Now, does his feedback matter? Like, if you have to do a role which might be very risque, will you take his permission? Will you discuss it with him? I mean, how does that equation work now that?
So, I mean, if it's new work, like, then I'll probably discuss it with him only if it's bothering me as well.
Correct.
You know, so, but if it's something new that I'm doing, which I haven't done before, I might just, but that's with anything else also, right? Like if it's, like right now, I did one travel show in which I had to surf and I was like, and I kept talking about it, you know, because I was like, I've been wanting to surf all my life. So anything new, whether comfortable or
but as a friend,
uncomfortable.
like you discussed
Correct.
with a
But when it comes to like intimate scenes
Yeah.
specifically or whatever, like I remember we were we were watching something of mine which had come. I think Half Love, usme there was one, maybe not even a kiss scene or whatever, and I was like, if you want, or it was the first, I think 4 more shots or something when we first, like this was
Yeah.
in the beginning of our relationship, and I'm like, listen, if you're not comfortable, you can forward or something. And he looked at me saying, "This, are you mad? Like it's just you're acting. Like you know, this is any other scene for me, right?" Like I was like, oh, okay. ये बड़ी बातें कर रहा है, अभी दिखाते हैं इसको. But
I
yeah.
think it's fine.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. अब बहुत quickly we are having a conversation, we chit chat करेंगे.
Okay. No?
एक chit आप लेंगे.
हाँ.
Chat after this chit.
Yeah. खोलो.
Start.
What is it?
Oh, wacky and wild.
Role reversal.
Okay, lovely. So wacky and wild से आपके लिए सवाल है.
हाँ.
If they had to wear only one outfit for the whole year, what do you think it will be?
What I would want them to wear, or what?
He's most likely. to be
Oh,
found.
some Star Wars, like some pop culture reference T-shirt and jeans. Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely correct.
और आपका क्या था?
Role reversal.
Role reversal में, okay, please act like your partner, okay, mimic her. If they don't get their favorite food or you know they don't get what they want, how will they react?
He has too many references.
How do I react when Okay, just like this is a graph. It's a graph.
Yeah,
So
it's
it's-
called your blood sugar level.
Yeah. It's a
Yeah,
graph
it's called
where,
hangry.
see, if we are at this restaurant and she has come very excitedly here and वो पूरा ये excitement के साथ आई है कि ये जगह बहुत अच्छी है. It starts very like, okay, क्या खा रहे हैं? Then menu देखा, ये वो देखा, okay. Excuse me. आपके पास ये है? invariably,
नहीं होगा.
this is Murphy's law, invariably it'll be like ma'am बस वो नहीं. And there is a bar here that's increases. Okay. एक सेकेंड ना, just wait करिएगा. ये वाला नहीं. आप लिख दो ना बाहर यार क्या क्या नहीं है, just so that, है ना? ठीक है 2 मिनट दीजिए मैं बताऊं. And now you can see as the sole audience of this show, you're like, oh my god.
Oh.
अब ये it's just the graph is just gonna go up.
जल्दी
and up.
खाना खिला दो, जल्दी
कुछ
खाना खिला
दो. And just keeps getting, you know, Murphy's law keeps coming back and back कि वो कुछ भी पूछेगी फिर वो नहीं होगा, फिर वो लाइन सोडा मांगेगी वो वाटर ले आएंगे.
Oh.
उसी दिन उनको भी उनका भी स्विच ऑफ उसी दिन होना होता है. वो रेस्टोरेंट जहाँ हर बार सब बढ़िया चल रहा था, उस दिन उनका भी फ्री डे रहता है कि आज हम भी बकचोदी करते हैं, आज कुछ भी भेजते हैं.
Okay, I love this. We want to end this with you also enacting how he will behave
हाँ.
when the food is not as good as it should be. ये घटिया चाय मिल जाए. Please make him.
हाँ घर का बताती हूँ ना, वो तो मेरे पास है भी. I have a exact example. So he's gone to the kitchen very excitedly कि अरे आज तो मटन चावल बना है खाएंगे whatever, and he's gone and come back. Okay, coffee or whatever, and I'm like, what happened? And I'm like, क्या हुआ? तू खा नहीं रहा? देख कर ही मन नहीं कर रहा खाने. And I'm like, अरे but it's mutton chawal, and I don't eat mutton, so it's all for you, right? So I'm like, अरे खा ले. It's so bad. मैं phone दो यार, I'll order something. नहीं खाना ही नहीं मुझे. And I'm like, okay, or I'll be like, I'll order.
Yeah.
You wanna order something? You'll be like, नहीं, ठीक है, it's fine. I'll just go and I'll take a shower and कुछ random, and I'm like, अरे यार खा ले.
This couple with food, I think it's...
This was a particularly exceptionally bad day because उस दिन क्या हुआ था, एक तो like she said Manvi doesn't eat mutton, तो कभी कभी थोड़ा कम बनता है, जब बनता है तो उस सुबह से मैं excited रहता है. And that was the night I was traveling to the US. उस रात को तो मैं 2-3 हफ्ते के लिए जा रहा था. तो I was like, भाई जाने के
ये send off तो
पहले
ठीक
एक बार
नहीं,
बढ़िया देसी खाना खा लेता हूँ. 2 हफ्ते तो पता नहीं अच्छा इंडियन मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. सुबह से बिल्डअप चल रहा है, हर प्रेशर कुकर की सीटी में मेरा मन एकदम हो रहा है कि भाई कब, और वो फुल बिल्डअप के साथ गया. मानवी वाज लाइक, ओ फाइनली यू ईट. आई एम लाइक यस टीवी ऑन करके जाके लाके देन व्हाट शी डिड. भाई मूड ही ऑफ हो गया भाई.
You know, I'm saying this on camera. You have to have मेरे हाथ का मटन.
Yeah.
It is a little out of this world.
भाई why didn't we start
I will
with
have
this?
to say that I cannot be like humble and modest about it.
No, never be.
It is.
नहीं, but genuinely, please call us over or
मटन चावल
send
प्याज
it.
दे
So
दीजिए.
you have different respect for me.
Yeah.
नहीं 100% भाई, अगर अच्छा मटन कोई अच्छा खाना खिला दे, मैं तो भाई अगर जायदाद होती तो मैं लिख देता.
I love it, guys. You guys are amazing. Please, like I said,
Oh,
शुरुआत
yes, I'm
में
very-
anti-clockwise, clockwise, अब नमक घुमा लीजिएगा एक दूसरे के ऊपर से. Before I let you go, because we wanted the green flag here, and you're a man who understands stuff, and a lot from your community don't. So आप जरा बताएंगे बाकी मर्दों, पुरुषों और लड़कों को कि वो क्या बेसिक चीज़ है जो वो अगर करें तो this world will be a better place for all genders.
Okay. Short and sweet कुछ बोलता हूँ to end this. I think स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा था कि दुनिया में आप किसी और को बदल नहीं सकते, सिर्फ अपने को ही बदल सकते हैं. और अपने को बदलने का सिंपल पैरामीटर है कि क्या आज आप कल से बेहतर है. ये 2 सवाल आप हर दिन अपने आप से पूछ लीजिए कि आर यू वर्किंग ऑन योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज आप दुनिया नहीं बदल सकते. नो मैटर आपका ईगो आपको कितना ज़्यादा तवज्जो दे रहा है. The only person you can change is yourself, and every day ask yourself, are you better than yesterday? That's all. इतना कर लो तो I think जीवन अच्छा हो जाएगा. It percolates to every issue that you can think of, starting with आपका जीवन कैसा है, और then all of this. Just keep asking yourself, are you doing better than yesterday?
Perfect.
That's all. Nothing else.
We wish both of you the best today and every day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sudhi. This is so much fun, even though it was really early.